Hey, it's Verlinda Sweeting. In this video, I'm going to talk about the six-figure formula. I'm going to show you how to get started. The last video that I created, I gave you a review of the system. I'm actually promoting the system, and I'm actually going through the training as well. I'm actually in Basic Module 3, and I joined it about 3 days ago. So I am going through the training and learning, and at the same time I'm advertising. So there's some things in here that I already knew about, but there's some things that I didn't know about as far as PPC and CPC and all of that. So he talks about those things, plus he talks about other things, and he shows you how to advertise and how to do YouTube marketing, Facebook, and other types of advertising as well. So come and go through the training, because you can make money promoting affiliate products, okay? You come in, you pay your $1 to get started, and then after 3 days, it will be $37 per month. You have 14 days to cancel your membership if you decide this is not for you, and you'll get your money back guarantee. But after that, after your 3 days is up, you'll be paying $37, and then it'll be $37 per month unless you decide to cancel. You can cancel anytime. Also, if something happens, if for whatever reason something happens and you can't keep up with your $37 membership, he'll let you keep your account live for $4. I think it's $4.95 per month. So that's good to know. I've never knew that can be done with a system, so that's really good to know. So if something happens, your circumstances change for whatever reason, you can contact support, and instead of paying $37, you'll be paying $4.95 per month until you get yourself set up. So basically, he's just holding your account. Once you get back on your feet, then you can continue paying the $37 per month and advertising and going through your training and making money. So let's go into getting started. So here, what you're going to do is click Getting Started, and right here you have 5 steps. You're going to go through all the steps, and so you're just going to click View Now, and you're going to get your unique affiliate ID. What is that? So you scroll down and you're going to see that you're going to need a Pay Kickstart account. So some of you may already have that. You don't need to create another account if you already have one. If you've never heard of Pay Kickstart, join it for free. Create a free account, because that's where your commissions go. That's how you get paid, and then it goes straight to your PayPal. Okay, so make sure you create a Pay Kickstart account and make sure you have a PayPal. All right. So in this video, he will explain everything you need to do. So once you click on this button here, you're going to either create a free account, or if you already have an account, you're going to request to promote. So if you're new to Pay Kickstart, create your free account and then come back and request to promote. If you already have an account, all you have to do is click this button, and it goes right away. There's no waiting. I was approved really fast. So watch this video. It's 5 minutes long, and then once you get yourself set up, he's going to show you how to set up your Pay Kickstart account here. So you can, so your commissions can go there. So you want to have that set up first before you advertise, and you're going to click this video. And once you get inside your Pay Kickstart account, you're going to see where you need to unlock your payout method, which is PayPal. So you're going to need to unlock it. And once you click this button that says unlock, you're going to need to click on a button to get a code. So they're going to send the code to your email address, and then you're going to get that code out of your email address, your inbox, and then you're going to enter the 6-digit code here. Click continue so it can unlock, and then that way you can choose PayPal for a commission. That's the only payment method that they have right now for six-figure formula. All right, so as you can see, this was his code that he used. You're going to have your own code, so don't use that one. He just shows how he opened up the email, got the 6-digit code, and you'll enter it here and click continue. So once you're done with all of that, you followed the video, you'll go to step 2, And if you have an Aweber account, he'll show you how to set everything up here. And if you have a Gmail, if you have Get Response, you're going to need to set that up. So if you already have one, don't create another one. You don't need to do that. There's some programs that want you to join Aweber or Get Response again, knowing that you may already have an account already. So you're stuck with 2 Aweber accounts or 2 Get Response. If you already have either one of these autoresponders, you don't need to create another one. Just scroll down to the next one. But if you don't have one or the other, then choose which one you want. And Aweber video will be here. You'll watch that. And for Get Response, this is the video that you'll be watching. So I have Get Response. So this is what I use to get myself set up. Watch the entire video. He's going to show you what to do. You're going to click continue to step 3. And then you're going to be getting your page links. So that's choosing your capture page. This is really neat how he has this set up, because they'll be added into your systems. But for example, you can choose your capture page, right? So whatever one of these you want, he's going to be adding some more soon. You have your capture page, and then you can choose which sales page you want. So first, when you advertise, someone's going to see one of these pages, whichever one you decide to promote. So you're going to click Get Page Links, and you're going to need to put in your email, your first name, last name, and if you're using Aweber, you'll click that. If you're using Get Response, you'll use that. So if you're using Aweber, you're going to need to get an ID, okay? And he shows you in the video for how to get that. He shows you how to get the list name for Aweber, and then your affiliate ID is your pay Kickstart ID. And then right here is just the sales page. You choose which sales page you want. And for Get Response, as you can see, you don't need to do the list thing for that. This one was really simple to put together. Okay, so once you get all that created, you'll just click Create Links, and then you'll get an email to they'll send you an email with your capture page and your sales page that you chose, and you want to test it. Okay, test it. Make sure that when you subscribe to yourself, that the emails are coming to you, everything is coming to you. All right. Now, when you create a Get Response account, or Aweber, he has emails that are already pre-written for you. Okay, so just make sure you follow through everything. If you want to get a domain, you can watch this video. He shows you how to do that. Let's go to step 4. And these are your follow-up emails. Okay, so watch the entire video. Don't try to go, ahead of him, because then you'll miss something. So make sure you watch all of the videos, like the entire video. Now, if you have Aweber, this is the video that you're going to watch. So he shows you how to load your follow-up messages inside of Aweber. Okay, and he gives you a code. I'll block out the code, but he shows you how to get everything and put everything together. With Get Response, it's different. Actually, the way he shows how to do this, I've never done this before with Get Response, but it was pretty neat. So he gives you a link, and with that link, the emails are already created, and you just add the link inside of Get Response, and it'll load into there, and everything will be coded to you. You're also going to need this text here, so be sure when you watch the videos, this is where you find it. He's going to tell you that you're going to need that for Get Response, so that it can it stands for affiliate ID, and you're going to need that because you're going to be advertising your capture pages, and so it's important to have this because your code is going to be added into those emails. So this is Get Response video, so watch that so you can set yourself up. Continue to step 5, and once you get yourself set up, it'll be time for you to advertise. Now, he has a Facebook method. He shows you how to do that. It's pretty neat. He has some scripts, and he also has some pre-written posts and images that you can use. So once you come inside, just click on this and he'll show you how to do all of that. YouTube method, he shows you how you can also advertise on YouTube, which is what I am doing to promote the 6-figure formula, and I do other methods as well. continue to step 5. He shows you how to get faster promotion with paid traffic. So not only does he show you how to do free methods, but he shows you how to do paid traffic as well. And I really I don't do a lot of advertising in Facebook. I do mostly YouTube as free traffic. Okay. And so, and I also do paid traffic. So getting traffic the faster way. Here's a video. He talks about solo ads and Udemy and traffic for me, things you probably already heard of. He has swipes created for you with that. With Udemy, you won't need to create swipes, but if you wanted to, you could use them. What else here? Finding top solo ad sellers with buyers. He'll show you a video on that. And you want to make sure you get into the Facebook group. And again, it's private. You have to be a paid member and you have to enter some information in order to get access to that group. So you have to have proof that you're a paid member, and you have to give them your transaction ID as well as your email address, and then you'll get approved into the group. So continue to basic training. All right, and so this is the module. It takes you straight to the modules, which is really cool. And he talks about affiliate marketing. So not only can you earn, again, with Six-Figure Formula, you can earn with the affiliate marketings that he talks about, affiliate products. So you want to make sure you go through the video. So I don't want to make this long. If you want to make some additional money with Six-Figure Formula, he has a way where you can earn additional money. It's the Evergreen Affiliate Compensation Plan. You'll have to upgrade for this. It's $67 one time, and then you have $47 one time. So whichever one that you choose, you can earn up to $150 reward for every 20 commissions. So if you make 20 commissions, you'll get rewarded for that. If you're on the professional plan, every 20 commissions you get rewarded for that as well. So here's a chart. 20 sales, you get $100 and so forth. But you want to go through and look at this. It shows you what percentage commissions that you can earn and all of that. So if you want to do the Evergreen, the ultimate plan, which is $67 one time, you can do that. Or the professional plan, which is right here, $47 one time. And then if you don't want to do that, it's optional. He tells you right here, just to be clear, you still can make money by generating commissions with the Six-Figure Formula on the standard monthly membership. No upgrades. You just, you don't need to do it if you don't want to. All right. These are optional, but those are just additional ways. Let's say you're on the ultimate Evergreen upgrade and you reach 20 commissions of the Six-Figure Formula. They'll send you a bonus cash reward of up to $100 to say thank you for promoting. So that's what that is. When you reach 40 sales, they'll send you another $100. When you get up to 60 sales, they'll send you more. And that's how that works. So come in and read all of this so you can really understand how this works. Okay. So make sure you click the getting started section, get yourself set up. After that, you'll be ready to promote and advertise. Go ahead and start advertising, making videos and paid traffic, whatever method that you want to do. He has it all right here in step 5. Okay. But get yourself set up first. And then as you're advertising, you can learn, go through these courses and just go through each step. Okay. And that's about it. I'll work on doing another video for you guys, but for now, that's a video on how to get started. So go ahead and do that. Again, it's $1. You can get started for $1 right now. And then after 3 days, it'll be $37. You'll be charged $37, and you have 14 days to request for your money back. And, but if you decide you don't want to do that, you can go ahead and, you'll be charged every month for $37. And, you can cancel anytime. And remember, if your circumstances change where you can't afford the $37, you can contact support and let them know you want them to hold your account. So that's $4.95. I believe it's $4.95. So anyway, let me check the frequent asked questions so you can see here. What if I want to cancel my account? Okay, so here it is. Just so you know, you can put your account on hold if you're thinking about coming back again soon. For a small monthly fee of $4.95, we will hold your entire account as it is so you can return at any time to continue as you were. Just submit, requests right here. All right. So that's that. Come and read these frequent asked questions. I actually went through some of these already, but that's what you do when you're learning a system and, you want to know what you have. You want to do you want to study, your system. Okay. So thank you for watching. My name is Verlinda Sweeting. I'll put a link in the bottom below this video in the description, and you can get started today for $1 and reach out to me if you need any help. All right, I'll talk to you in the next video.